Welcome to the deep dive on CVE 2025-32709, a kernel-level issue that challenges your understanding of Windows, privilege, and trust. This CVE exposes the gap between perceived security and actual memory-bound trust. It challenges the roots of privilege inheritance in Windows environments. CVE 2025-32709 introduces a vector of privilege drift by manipulating how the kernel handles process inheritance and memory boundaries. Attacks can occur silently, leveraging legitimate processes and trusted service chains, leading to silent privilege escalation without detection. The attacker's strategy is to hijack in-memory operations and exploit drift in kernel memory allocation, evading detection completely. It is relevant for enterprises using Windows Server, Azure environments, critical infrastructure, and any automated processes. The primary target is not a user, it's your automation fabric. Every task running with inherited system context is at risk. Advanced defenders will notice unexpected process elevation without logs, tasks operating at higher privilege, and kernel-level drift. Immediate steps: audit all automation tasks, enforce memory origin validation, and update systems with Microsoft's patches for CVE 2025-32709. Educate your SOC and architecture teams. Privilege drift is a living threat. Traditional tools may not catch this in time. This isn't a call for fear, it's a call for conscious, causality-led architecture. Supremacy comes from remembering why access was granted. CVE 2025-32709 is a test. Will you wait for the breach, or will you upgrade your trust model? Thank you for investing in this knowledge. Detailed scripts and attack simulations are available in the main article. The lesson is clear. Memory is the new perimeter. Causality is the only permission that matters. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as this helps keep me motivated.